countless data sources can and should drive the copy you write. However, the one you'll find yourself turning to most when writing copy that converts and when marketing effectively in general is voice of customer or VOC data. And we're going to talk about this a lot in copy school. VOC data is made up of what your current and future customers, prospects, visitors, users, lookalikes, or people who are similar to your customers say and how they say it. That includes what they say about you, your competitors, themselves, basically everything when it comes to the decision-making process in choosing you, staying with you, and referring more people to you. What they say and how they say it. What they say drives the order of messages on your page and in your emails and ads. How they say it drives the actual on-page copy. You'll capture VOC using qualitative research methods like asking open-ended questions in interviews, surveys, and more. Now, that's not to say quantitative data isn't a key part of optimizing your copy, because it is. But when it comes to what to say and how to say it, qualitative research reigns supreme. Throughout the lessons in copy school, you'll be tasked with referring to VOC before writing, during the writing process, and when editing or optimizing your copy. We'll share with you the best questions to ask to drum up insights that will help you answer messaging questions. We'll walk you through how to conduct interviews, how to write survey questions to avoid bias, and even really quick ways of finding VOC like shortcutting review mining on Google. Keep in mind that any research you do to write one piece can probably be used to write other pieces too. So while you may run a survey to help you plan and write a sales page, you can very likely reuse that VOC data to plan and write the emails that drive to the sales page, and the upsell page that follows it, and the retargeting ads that bring people back to it. So be sure to do the research we recommend, but also refer back to research you've already done to figure out what to say and how to say it at every step of the copywriting process.